Hi, my name is Alexandra Frincu, and I'm joining you from the French part of Switzerland, where I work as an engineer in the infrastructure department, in the beautiful campus of University of Lausanne, which I truly miss now due to the lockdown. Here we have been using ElasticStack for about 2 years, mainly to analyze aggregate logs for the IT department in one central place. As a newbie in ElasticStack, I use Kibana from time to time to see the network usage, Wi-Fi VPN, or whenever I troubleshoot for an incident. Last autumn, I wanted to see the authentication failures for the eduroam Wi-Fi network, which is a widespread network for educational roaming. We know that every start of the academic year, new students tend to have issues connecting to Wi-Fi, mainly because they use their email address, which is first name dot last name at uni.ch, instead of uni username at uni.ch. Yes, you may think we do enjoy complicating their lives. So I wanted to get the authentication failures and the students behind them in order to help them connect to the internet. I thought this would be a straightforward search, even if I am a complete beginner in ElasticStack. So I launched the first search, and this resulted in too many hits, containing both username at uni.ch, but also the email. I only wanted the latter, so the results with the email. Next, I had the idea of using regular expressions. It turned out it wasn't a good idea. I found a regular expression working properly in a regular expression testing tool, tried it in KQL, and it was an error. Even if I found the right pattern, well, why an error? Later I found out that regular expressions are not supported in KQL yet. I also tried it in Lucene, the same pattern, but the results were different than the one I was expecting. So I turned to the documentation, which did not have any examples for my case, and it proved too high level. At this point, I got frustrated and I was intrigued. Why can't I find a search query that matches the email pattern first name dot last name at realm? So I turned to my Google friend, where I stumbled upon a blog post which explained why we may or may not find what we are searching for in Elasticsearch, and why some queries in Kibana give us what we expect or not. So I found out that there is such thing as analyzed data. So in our case, it would look something like this. It takes the inputs, so the text value of a field, and it splits it into words using punctuation boundaries like this. So this is something that we wanted to avoid because the point disappeared here. This is the inverted index, which is called, which simplifies searching for one word or multiple words, which lets you use the full text search. Yeah, this wasn't what we were looking for. And I also found out that the field.keyword keeps the entire string as it is. And you can do a wildcard search on it. So this was my answer. It allowed me to identify the users that were in need and help them successfully connect to the Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, soon after this, the lockdown came again and no one was using the Wi-Fi anymore on campus. Thank you, and let me know if you have questions.